Based in Xiamen, we operate from a modern factory spanning over 10,000 square meters. With 3 decades of expertise, we produce 60,000 high-quality cue sticks annually. More than just a factory, we are the powerhouse behind top billiard cue brands worldwide. True quality begins with strict material selection. Our intelligent climate-controlled warehouse stores rare woods such as North American hard rock maple, African ebony, and Southeast Asian cocoa wood. These materials undergo natural aging for over 3 years in an environment maintained between 23 to 26 degrees Celsius, ensuring stability from the source and giving your products the resilience to withstand diverse global climates. From raw wood to finished product, each cue goes through 160 processes over 180 days. We utilize smart CNC equipment for precision shaping while preserving artisanal craftsmanship, featuring refined mortise and tenon joints, 108 stages of hand polishing, and 37 stringent quality inspections. We strike the perfect balance between precision and efficiency to deliver exceptional OEM quality. Beyond manufacturing, we serve as your product incubator. Our professional design team is ready to support you with comprehensive OEM and ODM solutions, from aesthetic design to ergonomic optimization. Focus on expanding your market while we help you create hit products. Rooted in Xiamen, serving the world. We are now seeking billiard cue distributors and partners globally. Let our craftsmanship elevate your brand and build a trustworthy, win-win future together. We look forward to collaborating with you.